So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure the angle BPD is 60 degree. So you can see that this angle is 60 degree, like this is B, this is P and this is D, and the radius is 1 centimeter is given of this circle. Then we have to find the length of the arc AXC and arc BYD. So AXC you can see this arc and BYD you can see this arc. So we have to find the sum of the length of the arc. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure what I have to do is, like you have given already the line AB, like AB is given here and CD is given here. So this is AB is given and this C and D is given. What I have to, this is the, I have chosen, this is the center like O, and I connected to this D point, and I have also connected to this A point. Now I get this figure. Now in this figure I am assuming the angle D as X. So this angle that will come, like I am assuming this is as X, and angle A this is as Y. So you see we have to calculate the arc of AXC and BYD sum. So how we can calculate that? For that we need to know like these angles. What is these angles? Then we can divide those angle by 360 degree and then multiply by 2 pi r to get the portion of that part. Like you understanding, like let's say this angle is some theta 1. So like the, then what is the arc of BYD? It is like theta 1 divided by 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r. So you need to know that angle. So our goal is to calculate these angles, like this angles, and like say this is theta 2. So now I have assumed like this angle as x and this as y. So now you see the angle C then become also x. How it will become x? Like this distance we know is the radius of the circle, and this distance from the point O to C, this is also the radius of the circle. So this is like an isosceles triangle. OCD is like an isosceles triangle. So if this is angle x, then this angle must also be x, because this length and this length are same. Similarly, the angle B will also become y, because in the triangle AOB you can see that like this length is equal to the radius and this length is also equal to the radius. So if this angle is y, this angle is also y. Now now you see the triangle PLD. So where is the triangle PLD? It is here. Like the P is here, L is here, D is here. This angle D we assume x, and this angle 60 degrees is given in the problem. So angle PLD, like the angle L, we can write 180 degree minus 60 plus x, because we know the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree, and we know two angles, one is 60 and one is x. So we can calculate the what is the remaining angle. So it is like 120 minus x. So this angle is 120 minus x. So this angle is also 120 minus x, because these are opposite angles. So this angle OLB we also calculated. This is 120 minus x. Now you consider the triangle PMA. Like this is P, this is M, this is A. We assume this angle to be y. This is 60 given in the problem. So remaining angle is 180 minus 60 plus y. So it will come like 120 minus y. And this angle and this angle are opposite angle. So if this is 120 minus y, so this is also 120 minus y, because these are opposite angles. So now we know this angle and this angle, and this angle we calculated like y, and this angle we calculated like x. Now you consider the triangle OCM, like this O, this C, and this M. Now this is the angle x, this is 120 minus y, so the remaining angle is 180 minus x plus 120 minus y. So the 180 minus 120 is 60, and here it will become x minus y. So this angle is this O angle. So this C, now COA angle and COM angle both are same. So if we calculated this angle O, it is same as the angle COA. So now we know this angle as 60 minus x minus y. So, so if we know this angle, then we calculate the length of this arc, like how? This is 60 minus x minus y divided by simply 360 and multiply by 2 pi r. R value we know in the given in the problem 1 centimeter. So now you can easily say that this is this. So for this arc we calculated this angle. So now if we also want to calculate the length of this arc, then we want to know this angle. What is this angle? So you see the uh, triangle OLB. So this is O, this is L, this is B. Now we know this is 120 minus x we calculated from this opposite angle, and this is y we know. So now the remaining angle is 180 minus angle B plus angle OLB. Angle B is y and angle OLB is 120 minus x. So this is 180 minus 120 is 60, and here is plus x minus y. So now this is same as the angle BOD. Angle BOD, this is same as the angle BOL. You are saying this is same in both the triangle BOL and arc BOD, this angle is same. So now we want to calculate the sum of the length of the arc AXC and BYD. So for AXC we know this angle is 60 minus x minus y divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So this is the length of the arc. And for this we know this angle is 60 plus x minus y divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So now you see this x minus y and this x minus y has opposite sign, like this is minus, this is plus. So this will cancel and it will become like 120 divided by 360. 60 will come from here and 60 will come from here, and we know this is 360 and r value is given in the problem as 1. So it will simply 2 pi by 3 centimeters. So in this way we can calculate the sum of the arc of AXC and BYD. So in this way we can solve this problem. So we will meet in next video.